Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to surf the internet. That means how to use the internet. The very first thing that you want to learn in order for you to use the internet is to get an internet connection. Alright, so your computer has to be connected to the internet. It could be your Wi-Fi or it could be your phone. So how do you connect your computer to Wi-Fi so that we have data to browse the internet? You can come to this small arrow. If you have that arrow, click on it. Alright, sorry, when you click on it, it will show you a small dialog box here, and then you can see if it show you internet sign, that means there is you can tap on that. But if it does not show you, come to your start here. This is your start icon, and then type internet. Alright, you can click internet. You come here to, when you click you write internet, come to Wi-Fi settings. You see Wi-Fi, double click on Wi-Fi, let Wi-Fi open. Alright, now that Wi-Fi has opened, this is the Wi-Fi here. Alright, so Wi-Fi has opened now. You see other Wi-Fi that are here. Alright, or the Wi-Fi that you have, you see it here. Click on that Wi-Fi. When you click on that Wi-Fi, it's so much so that I've already connected to the Wi-Fi that is here, right? Okay, let me connect to another Wi-Fi so that you see how it goes. Now, if you are connecting from your phone, you go to your phone and you scroll down to where you usually put on and off your data. You will see hotspot. Click on that hotspot. When you click on hotspot, the hotspot is put the hotspot on. If you know your hotspot key, for you to know your hotspot key on your phone, click on that hotspot and hold for longer than a second. When you click on the hotspot and you hold for longer than a second, the hotspot will open with the settings. Go to hotspot password. You see hotspot name. The hotspot name is the first. Then you go to hotspot password. Click on hotspot password. You see a password. That is a password which you are going to use to write on your Wi-Fi. So I've clicked on show available networks. These are the various hotspots that are around. Okay, this is my phone here. This Blue Empire Holdings has been connected. This is my phone. Alright, I want to connect to my phone. I'll click to the phone. Alright, unfortunately, I have already connected. Let me go to this hosting. So I've taken Hansen. That's the Wi-Fi. I want to connect. I go to connect. Those show check network requirements. Alright, I wish to connect to Hansen. Hansen has gone. So let me take this 4G and I take connect. You need to know how to connect so that you can be able. So once you click on it, let me say this Hansen is the name of your Wi-Fi. So they say enter the network security key. You need to enter now that your Wi-Fi password. Once you enter that Wi-Fi password, this next will become white. You click on next, and then they will tell you that if that was the right Wi-Fi password, you connect. Once you connect now, you can be able to now use that network to browse. Alright, so that is how you connect Wi-Fi to your computer, and once that happens, you'll be able to browse. So let me end this video here and we'll move now to the next video, how to surf the internet.